Yeah, y'all already know who I'm with. Y'all remember from the last video. My boy 2011 CVP out on Instagram. He on his LED shit. Y'all already seen mine. But his LED. Yeah, he on his LED shit now. So we just said, fuck it, we gonna show off the LEDs for a quick minute. As y'all see, mini bay in my car. Yeah, but just showing that off real quick. I'll catch y'all in the next video. She getting out the car. Oh no, that's mini police. Yeah, you jump out, boys. Alright, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Yeah, my boy on his LED shit. You know, he on this straight LED shit. He happy as hell with it too, shit. Hey, he happy like anybody else be happy. I know I was happy when I got my motherfucking LED in. You know, and then helped him install it and put it in. Shit, he feeling good. Just like I was feeling good when I put my LED in and got it working. So, yeah, he going about his way. He going home. I gotta go home.
Oh, he go home.
Yeah. Catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.